Make sure to go to the YouTube shorts to see more videos. From the new person, she said the name in one of the shorts. You have to go back to see it. https://www.youtube.com/@theweathernetwork5/shorts. Wind advisory. Issued at Thursday 1:36 p.m. March 6, 2025. Issued by National Weather Service. Description. Wet. West winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where portions of northern Connecticut, eastern, northeastern, southeastern, and western Massachusetts, and northern and southern Rhode Island. Wind from 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down, and some power outages may result. Recommended action. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects.